Hello friends, in this video you will learn to solve kth largest element in a stream. So stream is nothing but small. Given an input stream of n integers, find the kth largest element for each element in the stream. So the input way is the first line of input contains an integer t denoting the number of test cases. Then t test cases follows. Each test case contains two lines. The first line of each test case contains two space-separated integers k and n. Then in the next line, an n space-separated values of the array. This is the input way. Output is for each test case in a new line, print the space-separated values denoting the kth largest element at each insertion. If the kth largest element at a particular insertion in the stream doesn't exist, print -1. So there is a constraint. T limits is 1 to 100, K limit is 1 to n. N nothing but it is between 1 to 10 power 6. 1, then stream limit is 1 to 10 power 5. Here is the input test cases are 2 and the K value is 4, elements are 6 elements. So those elements is separated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. K value is 1, n value is 2, those elements are 3, 4. To achieve this, one test case is explained here. We will go with this test case. K is the 4. For the stream, nothing but stream limit is 4. So 4 elements only. In this 4, we need to find out. For the first element comes, then there is only one element only. So for this, fourth largest element is not exist. So it's print the -1. Like 2 comes, 1 and 2 is there, but for the 2 there is a not the fourth largest element doesn't exist. So it is also print -1. Then 3 comes, there is a 3 elements, but this the fourth largest element is not exist. So it is also print -1. Then the fourth element comes. The stream is filled with the required elements, nothing but 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is in not like this. Any one. It may be it's defaultly in ascending order, but we need to make it ascending like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in this, the first one is the fourth largest element of current fourth one. So 1 is printed. Not only fourth. In this, when it is element comes, not the this fourth. In this 4 comes into this stream, 4 values, which is the lowest one, kth one. We need to print. So which is the kth? When the 5 comes, 1 is removed and 5 is entered into this stream, and in this stream, this is the 2 is the fourth largest one. So 2 is printed. Like this, 6 comes, 2 is removed, 6 is comes, but it is not shown. 3 is the fourth largest one, 3 is printed. Like this. This is a problem. For this, to achieve this, that is we need to follow the hints. Concept of min heap will come into play. When we call min heap, okay, we go one by one. In number of test cases, I am taking t. I am taking the value of t like this. For this, I am using a while loop. T minus minus. Then we need to take the two values k comma n. For that, taking k value and n value. Then after, we need to take one array to store the all elements. So I am taking an array A of n. Yes, and taking the values I equal 0, I less than n, I plus plus A of I. Then we need to find out for this kth largest element. So I am sending the values n, a and k. For new, say this kth largest element int n, int a and int k. So by using to achieving this, so we need to take one queue, min heap. Min heap purpose we need to take the queue. For this, see second hint. Maintain a min heap of size k. Thus heap will contain minimum element at the top in the file size. Nothing but this is the file size. Nothing but k is the 4, that is the file size. So remove the top element and insert. When the new element comes into this, then we need to remove the top element and we need to insert the new element from input array. Thus follow this procedure. For this, to achieve this, it is we go to priority queue. To using a priority queue, we need to add the one header file. Bits stdc++.h. Okay. Then if you do this, the default it gives a descending order. To make it in ascending order, so we need to add two more parameters. Those are vector and one is greater. It is now taking value in the ascending order. So taking the array values one by one. And if queue size less than k, you can push the value a of I. If suppose after pushing that it may chance to that become into k. When it is happen, you need to print the when after entering this 4 it became the 4 number stream. So we need to print the this one top one like this. This is also top and give space. Suppose else it is not reached k, not like this 1 2 3. We need to print the -1. This is the way we achieved this. Then to achieve this one, we need to take else if already it is reached the 4 elements like the stream level, then we need to what we need to use else if already queue size is reached to k and we need to add the new element. it may be chance to it is equal or less than or greater than. Three chances are there. But when the equal, there is no need to insert. When there is a smaller, there is also no need to insert. So when the a of I is lesser or equal to q dot top, then we need not to insert and gives the top element only. Top element will become the output. And there is a one more chance is there. Else if q dot size equal to k, and element may be have the chance to greater than this, like this, nothing but it is the 2 and it is the 1. This coming element is 5, so we need to remove this 1 first of all. Q dot pop, we need to add that 1 which is comes a of array a of I, and then this is in sort, this will be sorted after coming the 5, this will be sort. Then we need to print the this 2. For that, q dot top. Okay, like this. So like this it is going on. See this. The output. To check it is correct or not by testing it. See this. Expected output is -1, -1, -1, 1, 2, 3. Our also same. So our approach is right. So we need to submit. Yes, successfully completed. So submitted. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe now.